Hey there, I'm switching from this one to this one. Let's see. Hey everyone, it's Nico here with another unboxing review video. Today I'm excited to show you the Unity mounting set. This complete kit includes both scope mount base and magnifier base. I'll be using them to upgrade my vector optics setup. Here it is, the scope mount base. Check out its details closely. Next up, let's check out the Unity magnifier base. Similar to the scope mount, the magnifier base is packed securely and comes with its own set of tools and hardware. The mounting tool has great functionality. Before I install these new mounts, I need to remove the old ones from my Airsoft replica. Let's separate the red dot from the old mount. The Unity mount is noticeably higher at around 40 mm. Let's install the new mount to the red dot. Okay, everything matched perfectly. Let's open the box of the Maverick Magnifier. I've never used this one before. You can see the old short mount, so let's remove it. You should carefully align the mount and the magnifier, or otherwise you will do it like me a couple of times. We are kind of ready, so let's install the two mounts on the Airsoft replica. That's it for today's unboxing and installation of the Unity mounting system. I am really impressed with the performance and the upgrade it provides over my old mounts. Thanks again for joining me. I will see you in the next video. Stay tactical and keep improving your game.